Best 5 foods that prevent hair fall. Better looking hair can commence at your next meal. According to researchers, just like every other part of the body, the processes and cells that support strong, vibrant hair mainly depends on a balanced diet. Carrot. The uses of carrot juice for weight loss is well known, but the best tips to prevent hair fall also include carrots. Carrots are known to add thickness to the hair and make the hair grow faster. Regular eating of carrots helps stimulate hair growth, make hair lustrous, improve blood circulation, strengthen the hair, protect hair from external damages like pollution, and also help prevent breakage of hair and hair fall. One can eat a carrot a day or drink fresh carrot juice to see instant results in the hair growth and texture. Daily using carrot externally and internally will surely give you healthy and strong hair. Eggs. The best home remedies to prevent hair fall must include eggs. Conditioning. Egg the hair with eggs increases hair growth, as eggs are one of the richest natural protein sources. Hair is composed of 68% keratin protein, so egg protein helps rebuild the damaged hair by ulling in the weakened spots along the hair strand that temporarily strengthens the hair. Eggs retain a large amount of protein ranging from 4.0 to 7.2 grams per egg that makes egg conditioning an intense natural protein treatment. Including egg conditioning in the hair regimen can help you to maintain strong hair, which is essential for hair growth. Oats. The benefits of oatmeal for weight loss are extremely popular, but the best hair fall control foods should also include oats. Hair loss can occur for several reasons: genetically determined alopecia, damaging hair treatments or extensions, a hormonal imbalance, or lifestyle factors like dietary habits. Specifically, a diet lacking important minerals, vitamins, and several other beneficial compounds can cause malnutrition, which, in turn, can lead to hair loss. Regular eating of oatmeal provides a healthy start to your day, and adding nutrient-packed foods to your oatmeal can help with nutrient deficiency-related hair loss. Oats act as a natural moisturizer and can be applied to the hair to get rid of itchiness and dryness. It makes hair shiny and soft. It is used as an ingredient in shampoos. Oatmeal can be combined with other anti-AL ingredients and applied to the hair before shampooing to get rid of dandruff. Walnuts. Walnut is one of the most hair-friendly nuts in the category. Not only does walnut have more omega-6 fatty acids than any other foods, but it is also full of iron, zinc, B vitamins, B6, B9 and B1, healthy fats and plenty of protein. In fact, eating walnuts daily will keep the hair healthy for years. However, a word of caution. Walnuts also retain a very small trace of selenium, a mineral known to cause hair loss in men and women who are selenium deficient or have a way too much in their system. So a handful of nuts over the week must tide you over without much trouble. Vitamin C rich foods. The best foods to prevent hair fall should include vitamin C rich foods. Low intake of vitamin C can be key cause for a number of hair related problems that severely affect hair growth. Vitamin C deficiency can result in split ends and dry hair. Free radicals naturally form when the body turns food that we consume into glucose for the energy production. These free radicals damage the hair by making it extremely brittle, weak and thin. These conditions interrupt the hair growth. Vitamin C's antioxidant properties lower the formation of free radicals and minimize its effect on the body. Having sufficient supply of vitamin C in the diet is important for antioxidant protection against the free radicals. Men and women who take a large amount of vitamin C have strong, healthy and thick hair. Thank you guys.